Hey beauties! So today we are going to be using the Moonstruck Beloved eyeshadow palette. So this is available in February and it has 4 exclusive colors. They're pressed eyeshadows and these are not available in any other way at this moment in time. So if you're interested in these colors, they're really beautiful. I would check it out. This is the Kudos, so you get this 4 eyeshadow palette and you get a crease brush. And if you watch this when I do use brushes, I have 2 crease brushes that are very well loved. So I use them obviously to apply in the crease or outer V, as well as apply inner corner highlight. So I really like the brush as well. So I wanted to play with this palette today. I have actually used this almost every day this week. I haven't used Devoted yet, which is the darker sort of plum maroon type of color. But I've used all the other ones, and I think that Alluring is absolutely gorgeous. It's like a satin pink. And then I also really like Unwavering. It's a shimmery highlight, and it's like iridescent. If you look at it in the light, it has like a pink sheen to it. It's really cute. So I think it's great for the eyes, but also great just as a highlight on your face. So that's what we're going to use it for today. So let's play. So again, I've been using it this week for my regular my regular face at work, so that's why I haven't really used Devoted, but I will try to use some today because it is really pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna go in first with Alluring, which is the satin pink. I'm gonna put this super vivid, really pretty. Actually matches with my tattoo, in case you're wondering. I did not plan that. Just realized it. And I haven't dyed my hair in a while, you guys. I think I forgot what my natural color was. Okay, now I'm gonna go into Adored, which is the matte, powder pink. And I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm using the pad. I'm just going to put that on the inner portion of the lid and kind of blend it halfway across. And I really like that there's 2 mattes in this. 2 mattes, a satin, and a shimmer, which is a really great breakdown. I take the Deluxe brush and start blending the outer edge of this just to soften it. Remove the cat hair. I'm also going to blend in between the 2 colors. And I like the rounded shape. If you're more of a cat eye shape, then you can definitely blend it in a way that, creates that type of a shape. Okay, now that I've done a good amount of blending, I want to reapply both of those colors again just to intensify the color now that it's really been diffused. I want it to be a little more vivid, so just packing it back on. This is Alluring. Okay, and go back with the Deluxe brush and blend again. Use my finger to blend the 2 colors in the middle. It's pretty. Okay, cool. All right, so now I'm going to go on the outside. I don't know why that became 2 very separate words. I'm going to go on the outside of my lower lash line with Alluring, and I'm going to do it with my finger. That's just how I roll. And just kind of smudge it in. And these are really pigmented, so you do not need a lot. A little bit definitely goes a long way. I know I should have done this for Valentine's Day look, guys. Sorry, I'm a little behind. I do want to use all of the colors in this because I just think they're really pretty, and why not? So with that in mind, let's go into the crease brush, and I'm going to go into Devoted, and I'm going to take the teensiest bit because this is a very dark color and I haven't used it yet. So, and I'm going to put it in the outer portion of my eye and then blend it out. Pretty. It's a little bit like cooler toned. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit more. And I'm going to blend it with some alluring as well, like dip into that. And then just blend it. And no matter what shape you're going for, if you're doing more of a wing or if you're doing more of a rounded shape, just make sure not to blend it too low because then it can make your eyes seem kind of droopy. So either way you're blending, like to get whatever shape you want, is totally fine. Just make sure to keep it sort of like above. And I frequently will like check in, and because sometimes I'll put my lid up and I need to put it back down because that's how my face is typically. So I want to make sure that the color looks like the shape and everything looks the way that I want it when my lid is down. So we're doing some blending. I'll take it a little bit onto the lower lash line. Just blending it down, not adding any new product. That really like intensifies it and kind of blows it out a little bit. Okay, very cool. So now I'm going to go into the final color, which is Unwavering. And I'm going to use a crease brush, and I'm going to put this a little bit on the inner portion of the lid and then on my inner corner. If you do a brow bone highlight, you can do that as well. And I'm going to use this as a highlight everywhere on my face, in case you're wondering. So. It really has like a very pretty sheen. Okay, so inner corner. Okay, so then I'm going to use this highlight using the crease brush. I'm going to put it in other locations. So I'm going to put it on like the bridge of my nose. This is like really, when the light hits it, is like really iridescent. Okay. Maybe I'll use my finger. I feel like I'm getting too strong. I'm going to use it on my Cupid's bow. I feel like it doesn't look as pink in here as it is when you actually put it on. And then on the upper part of my, oh, okay, I might have to blend that out because that is like really pink and really bright, but really pretty. I love that. I'm like, oh, I'm gonna have to blend it out, and then I like go in with more. Like, if you really feel like that, Jen, why'd you put more? Okay, so I put some bronzer on my face to just kind of give me a little bit of dimension. So now that I have this done, I would like to add a teensy bit of blush. So if I wanted to, you could actually use a little bit of alluring since it has a little bit of a sheen. But I'm gonna go a little more toned down, and I'm gonna go with, I can open it, Seductive, which is kind of, it's matte and it's more almost bronze looking, so not so much on the pink scale. Okay, and I applied a little bit like bronzer as well. All right. Okay, so the reason I pointed out the black eyeliner, or the black and the dark brown, I think these are kind of interchangeable, whichever you prefer, dark brown or black. Black is obviously more dramatic, but dark brown can be a nice way to be dramatic, but to also have like a softness to it. So I know people prefer different ones. I really think they're interchangeable for whatever you prefer. So I'm going to use black today because I feel like I haven't in a little while. Okay, so I'm going to apply this in a regular like wedge shape that I typically, oh, my straightener's still on. Oops. The wedge shape, so if you want to do a wing, absolutely the shape of this certainly would like suit a wing if you want to do that. So I'll just line my upper lash line, and I make it slightly thicker on the outer edge. I really like this Unwavering color for the highlight and everything. It's so pretty. So we're going to curl lashes and apply as many coats of mascara as your heart desires. between coats of mascara, we're going to do lips. So I'm going to do my favorite liner, Plush. It's a like cool toned peachy mauve. So I'm going to line and fill in on top of my vanilla milkshake lip bonbon. So I love our sharpener if you don't have it for your kohl pencils. It's so nice. I don't use anything else now. Okay, and then if you want a little bit more, like I was thinking of making the lips like a little more dimensional, I'm going to use some well-to-do in the center. So just kind of give. All right, guys, this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.